Hi, it's Shelly and welcome to my channel. What are we doing today? In today's video, we're taking a cooking class in Hoi An, Vietnam, as well as some exploring. Part 5 in our Vietnam travel vlog series. It's what we're doing today. Our tour started off with a local market tour. Honestly, this is the cleanest local market we have ever seen over here. The fruits and vegetables, meats and fish were very fresh. We picked up the ingredients for our cooking class, as well as learning about the produce and the process for picking out fresh fish and meat. Next stop on this tour was a coconut boat ride. Getting into these little floating bowls is a little bit tricky. All of the boat drivers are very enthusiastic and they seem to have a lot of fun putting on a show for us tourists. Anyone that wanted could take a ride. We declined, but our driver ended up giving us a turnaround ride later on. Our driver was a sweetie, and we enjoyed this little cruise among the water coconuts. This was really peaceful. We really enjoyed traveling the waters in various vessels over the course of our adventures in Southeast Asia. After going through the coconut grove, we came out to a bigger lake, and a fisherman showed us his skills in throwing a net. Okay, time for our spin. The captain had a blast spinning us around. The video really doesn't do it justice. You just have to hang on for dear life during this spin ride. It was too fun. This area is very busy with coconut boats as there's a large tourist spot right here. Feet back firmly on the ground, it's time to get to the cooking class. We were started out with some fresh fruit upon arrival. Our stations were all set up for us and we went to work making food art with a tomato. So cool! The end result wasn't too bad at all. First up, we're cooking some fresh snapper that we purchased from the market. We made a marinade sauce, and then we wrapped it in a banana leaf for steaming. Next up, we're making rice flour from scratch. Then we got our instructions on making fancy rice paper for our rolls that we're going to make later.
Turn on the fire and please check the pan hot. You do low fire because you make rice paper pan too hot, not good. Rice paper burn. And now oil, can you put a little bit, not much, yeah? And everyone, you see the can. We make this one a lot of small hole inside, right? Now please you put milk inside like that. And everyone, you get on the top. Now you do circle. Yes, wow. And about 10 seconds. Wow. When you see the rice paper separate, okay, you take it out. You see, this one already. And now, get out. You see, we have, okay, one rice paper and one nylon.
Practice. Take it out.
Next, it was our turn to try. It was so much fun, and the instructors were so funny.
I didn't do it. It was my
hand doing
Okay.
Okay, so in the middle. Take it out. Wow, this one is beautiful, huh? Woohoo! It's good. A little bit oil.
Oh, yep.
Yeah, like that. Wow! See, finally.
Okay, how do you start? Then we cooked and set our food on fire. Very serious work here. We are having so much fun in this cooking class.
Now we make rice meal from rice and water. We do 1 cup of rice, 2 cup water. We let the rice inside the water like this about 6 to 7 hours. During the time you soak the rice inside the water, you need to change many times the water, about 4 to 5 times, it's okay. Now we put rice and water inside the stone and we make rice milk. Your leg, you put like me, like that. You hold your hand in here, lower. Now you fry it. Yes. You hold 2 hands like
Oh,
this.
2 hands,
And
okay.
you do, yes. Okay, one moment. Yes, I put more rice and water. Let's go. See, a lot of rice milk. Yes. This is traditional way, 30 years ago already. Let's go. Yes, good job. Lots of rice milk. Okay, someone else,
Yeah.
guys.
We each had a turn spinning the grinder. Next, we're getting the stuffing prepared for the spring rolls, and then we'll be frying them up. These were served with a peanut sauce, and they were so delicious. Vietnamese pancakes, the steamed fish, and a lovely dessert to finish. Love this cooking class. We had a blast. Tonight we're out in the town looking for some dinner, and we found this adorable little restaurant in an alley near the old city. The food was awesome. Every morning we were on a search for a place for Vietnamese coffee, and we found this little spot just down the street from our Airbnb. Coffee's in, time to do some exploring in the old town. Hoi An is known as the City of Lanterns. And the old town is absolutely beautiful with its shops and decorations. We just love wandering around, exploring, and shopping. That's it for today's video. Next time we'll be doing a nighttime boat tour to release our wish lanterns, as well as exploring some of the local museums and more excellent eateries in Hoi An. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.